Yeah. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to present our CSC126 group project, which is the e-hailing system. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our group members. My name is Alia Khairia binti Kasim.
My name is Nur Alia Maisara binti Zulkarnain.
And my name is Patricia Rahwani binti Bolhasan.
Project summary. Our project is to develop user-friendly e-hailing system to provide efficient transportation services. Our system can be accessed by both driver or customer depending on their role. Each option has been assigned to their price respectively. Next, objective of the project. First, to create and develop data structures in C++ that enables customer to input and choose various services. Second, to facilitate cashless transaction through various payment methods. Third, to design user-friendly console interface using C++ for user to navigate and interact with the e-hailing system easily. And last, to deliver an efficient and accessible e-hailing system that enhance user ability to book a ride. Analysis. Input for driver, driver from name, plate number, and rating. Input for customer, customer from ID, customer from to enter their personal details, name and age. Option, economy, regular rate, student rate, and top rated. And their current education status, school name, year, and student ID. Payment method, cash or cashless. And last, to prompt to enter amount in RM. This is the process. First, balance assigned to amount minus total price. Total price is assigned to price time distance and process for driver to calculate amount of customer served. This is the module to calculate amount of customer served. Next, to calculate total profit, and this is the module to calculate it. To calculate average rating in a day, and this is the module to calculate average. Output. Output for driver, display driver personal details, display driver profit, and display number of customer. Output for customer, display customer personal details, display customer service option, display price for customer option, display customer payment method, display amount entered by the customer, and display balance.
So this is our C++ coding for our e-hailing system. This function is for to enter driver details. This function display menu. This function to calculate amount of customer served for driver. This function is to calculate total profit for driver and to calculate average rating in a day for drivers. And this is the function to calculate payment methods. And this function is for to calculate prices for each product. And this function is to enter customer details. And this is the main function of our e-hailing services. Okay, so this is our e-hailing service system program. If you want to use our service, you can click Y and enter, and you will see are you a driver or the customer. If you want to be the customer, you click number 2 and then enter, and then it's from user to enter their ID. I will give an example. And from user to enter their name and their age. So it will bring you to the menu and ask you to choose the service code between 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So I will choose 3. it's from users to enter their student ID and their university name. And this will ask user to enter the distance from their pickup point to their next destination, which is I'm gonna put 10. So the total price is RM35 and they ask user to prompt their payment method, and I will use cash. So they will ask the user to prompt the amount of cash they want to um, pay to the driver. I will put RM50 and my balance is RM15. So and then they will ask to prompt to rate their driver from 1 until 5, and I will rate 4. This will ask the user to if they want to use our service again or not. So I will make yes. For the next um, service I will be the driver. So I will enter 1 and enter their ID and their name and the type of vehicle that they use. Also with their plate number. So it will give the output the number of customers, which is 1 just now, and the total profit, which is RM35, and the rating, which is 4. Then I will end the service. So thank you for using our e-hailing service. So that's all from me.
Next is the discussion. Findings from the solution: lower fares for both students and working adults, cheaper options and rates for others to travel depending on distance from pickup point to destination, reasonable prices and budget friendly. The limitation is self-inserted input. Driver must input the distance on the app rather than automatic input. User must verify their private information to use certain features, and user can only choose provided service codes without any additional information to add in. Our solution to the limitation just now is having the drivers to connect the app with their current location or GPS for automatic input, identifying users' academic status by IC, identity card, matrix or student ID, school or university email identification, adding more features for users to be detailed on their ride. Example, what type of car they want the driver to use in case of heavy loads. And the conclusion is we plan to achieve a systematic algorithm design to ensure not only lower fares in rides for the community, but also for students who wants to go outside but have no access to transportation or has a limited budget to pay for fares. We hope that we can help others to enjoy lower fares in their rides so that they won't worry about the expensive fares to be paid whenever they want to go outside and take a walk. Now that's all from us. Thank you.